Happy Diwali to everyone from Be a Traveler Channel team.
Hey channel, welcome to my guys. Hey, welcome channel to my guys. Hey guys, channel to my welcome.
So do you have chili paneer?
Yes, we have.
Can you do some gravy with it?
Okay.
And one veg Manchurian noodles,
One veg Manchurian noodles,
one save tomato,
one sev tomato,
one paneer bhurji,
paneer bhurji.
yeah. Then two lachha paratha
Two lachha paratha with butter or what?
with butter.
Okay.
Then two thepla.
Two thepla.
And in the end, can you also bring with it one sweet lassi?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Thank you.
How much is the total?
54.
54.
Yeah.
So
Thank you very much.
bye. Hello guys, this is Shubham and we are back again with a new video for veg lovers. So today we are at Zyka restaurant in Akhmat Ali Theatre and we are going to try the veg items available here at good and reasonable prices. So watch till the end to see what I ordered and what is the taste and what is the quantity also. So whenever you want to come, you can see like this is value for money restaurant. So let's go. Hey guys, so we got some items in our order. As you can see, there's still one item remaining, but I cannot wait because I'm very hungry. So let me start what we have here. This is paneer bhurji. As you can see, it's so delicious looking. This is the lachha parathas. These are so big in size. Then these are the methi parathas. This is the sev tomato. This is specially Gujarati Rajasthani dish. And this is the gravy chili paneer. So guys, I am starting with paneer bhurji. I will try it as it is. I can taste the onion and other like the paneer also is very good. And there is some spiciness to it, which is also making it very good. It's not bland. It's full of masalas. So now I will try it with one lachha paratha. I will just take half of it for now. It tastes good and the paneer is just melting in my mouth. Their paneer is so soft. It's too good. As we are waiting, we got our last item of the order also, which is noodles with veg Manchurian. It looks super tasty and you can see there's so much steam coming out of it. They are just preparing right now. Nothing is before prepared, everything is fresh here. So you should try it. We are going to try the safe tomato. They have made this little bit dry because they said the dryness with it tastes better instead of the gravy one. So I will try it just like it is and will tell you. There is a tomato punch in it that is described as sourness, and there is also spices which taste very good. It's not that much spicy, it's medium spicy, and the save also, it tastes very good. It isn't bland or anything. It completely, the taste of save is coming. And now I will try it with the methi parathas. The methi paratha just complements a full safe tomato. It's always good to have something to drink in between also. So now the chili paneer. You can see there are so many paneer pieces. I will try this on just this one and will tell you. There's just some sourness in it, and the Chinese spices are also completely coming, and it's so soft yet so hard. It just reshapes into its form. Now I will try it with the normal lachha paratha. There's complete Chinese flavor coming in it. Now guys, I will complete my meal with the last item, which is Manchurian noodles. It's completely veg. You can have the non-veg option also if you want. For this, you don't need any lachha parantha or methi parantha. You can just eat it like it is. It's a completely meal on its own. So I will try it and will tell you. The noodles have complete spiciness and it's completely Chinese flavor. There is a lot of garlic there. And now the Manchurian. The Manchurian is also too good. It's super tasty and super delicious. I will see you in the next video with some new restaurant for the veg lovers. And don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, comment down below it. What would you like to see, like Indian restaurant or another cuisine, and subscribe to the channel to get notified. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Bye.